po si Noel Itaas, taga Esperanza.
Hi, my name is George. I'm from San Francisco,
Hi,
US.
my name is Feto Baon. 16 years na akong nag-work as an OFW.
Annie Garcia at isang OFW po sa UAE.
Isa po akong OFW dito sa bansang United Arab Emirates in 16 years. Bali, 15 years po ako
I
nakabase.
joined Robinson's Land Partners, Marketing Partners last
Saan ko yung presentation nila, so nag-invest ako para sa sarili ko. Then, in-offer nila sa akin yung regarding sa marketing. So, nagustuhan ko siya kasi meron tayong extra income, di ba?
And then nakilala ko po si Sir Noel at kanyang mga team. And then naging isa ako sa mga business partners nila.
Ang mission ko sa kapwa ko OFW dito sa UAE ay ang maturuan sila or mabigyan sila ng negosyo or extra income sa pamagitan ng
Because of that, I was able to have a commission, extra income.
At the same time, meron ka ng property, tapos kumikita ka pa ng extra.
Nakita ko na yung company is stable and then reliable. Then one of the best developers in the Philippines.
na ang pira madali siyang maubos. Alam mo minsan hindi tayo, ma-out of control tayo, magastos natin siya sa ibang mga bagay. Kaya habang tumatagal ako dito sa abroad, nagsimula akong naisipan ko or
I'm very thankful for Robinson's Land for recruiting me, especially to Edward and Christy.
Thank you, RLC. Thank you, I Am Amazing Team. Hoping for your longer business journey with me.
Thank you so much, Robinson's Land Corporation. Thank you, I am amazing. And thank you for everyone, for the team, for being part of this business journey. Hoping for more wonderful and successful.
Thank you very much for welcoming me to join the Robinson's Land family.